In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Welcome back. In this video, we will explain how to pay and issue an NDC order in Amadeus. Once you have successfully created an NDC order, you typically have a 30-minute window to complete the process. The booking is only held until the payment time limit expires. To finalize the transaction and issue the flight documents, you must proceed to the pay phase. In this phase, you will define the form of payment, FOP. Choose how the traveler will pay for the tickets and services. Calculate airline fees. Include any credit card surcharges or other applicable OB fees. You can retrieve a booking file or PNR using either the traditional cryptic mode or graphical mode. However, the issue and pay process must be performed in the Graphical User Interface, GUI. Once the booking file opens in graphical mode, you will see the NDC tag and the booking details. This includes the NDC order creation date and time, the reservation number, the NDC order ID, the Amadeus record locator, and the airline record locators. Look at the option cues, OPC. For example, if it shows April 3, 2026, at 12:20 local time, you must issue and pay before that exact expiry date and time. Go to the Products section of your graphical booking file and select the flights you wish to issue. Click the Issue and Pay hyperlink, or select Issue and Pay from the drop-down menu next to the flight. This will direct you to the Review and Issue Your NDC Content page. Before issuing the ticket, it is vital to review everything one last time. Check the passenger names and itinerary details. Total cost for all passengers and services. Fare amount, taxes, and the tax breakdown. Baggage information and full fare conditions. Once confirmed, you are ready to finalize the payment and issue the tickets and EMDs. At the bottom of the Review and Issue screen, you will find the Form of Payment section. Choose the payment type from the drop-down menu. Cash. Select this if the agency is settling payment through standard BSP or ARC cash payments. Credit card. Select this if the passenger is paying directly with their own card. If you select credit card, choose the vendor based on your market and the airline. For example, American Express. A warning message may appear stating, "Credit card fees may apply. Fees will be added to the total price." Insert the mandatory card details and click the Issue and Pay button to generate the tickets and EMDs. A green confirmation message will appear. NDC content was paid and issued, along with the ticket number. You can click on the ticket number to display the e-ticket details. Then close it to return to the booking file. You can also click Cryptic Display to view the PNR in the traditional format. When creating an NDC order, you can calculate airline fees if using a credit card. Skipping this step could make the agency liable for uncollected surcharges. Click on the Calculate Fees hyperlink and select the card type. Enter the first 6 digits of the card, the BIN number, and click Calculate Fees. A confirmation message will state, "Airline fees were added to the price details." In some cases, you may see "No airline fees applied" if the airline has exempted them. In general, many travel agencies settle payments through standard BSP or ARC cash payments. In this case, simply select Cash and click the Issue and Pay button. Once again, a green confirmation message will appear. NDC content was paid and issued, along with the ticket number. You can click on the ticket number to display the e-ticket details. In our next video, we will show you how to void issued NDC documents in Amadeus. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.